Reasons why I love computer programming. Best way to learn computer programming? Computer programming was something I wanted to learn how to do ever since I've seen a computer for the first time. I still remember my first shy attempts at recreating a few of the most popular games of the time. Since then, I improved a lot. I started to get better at mastering the art of coding and I always enjoyed it. This article is about the reasons that make me love computer programming and the role they play in my life. First of all, when I program, I never know how time passes. I'm in a state of flow hardly equaled by any other activity I enjoy doing. It is fascinating how I sit at my desk, thinking I'm going to work for a couple of hours, then in a split second it is already midnight and I haven't eaten again all day long. Another reason why I love computer programming is that I feel fulfilled knowing that I create something useful for other people. Life is short and all of us will eventually die sooner or later. For me, I like to know that I'll still be here after my death. The programs I create will still help many people achieve the tasks they need to do when I won't be here any longer. Programming is a dynamic science. With every month that passes, new programs and new methods appear, superior to older ones. I need to stay on top of my profession, so I read, learn and apply everything that comes out, pretty much the moment it is made available. Continuous learning is very good for the brain, I think, so I consider myself fortunate to work in an industry that forces me to work out my brain cells each and every day. Although it looks like a solitary job, computer programming is done in a team most of the time. Big programs like MRP games require a huge volume of work and efforts, therefore there are at least 8-10 people programming various parts of the game. When each of us is done with his part, everything is assembled together, then we test the program. There is no bigger joy than to see that it works exactly as expected. Such moments are worth working for months or even years in a row. Last but not least, I love the creativity of this kind of work. Some people find it dull, but I can tell you with each new challenge you need to get as creative as you can and come up with solutions that would enable the program to perform the task without taking too much from the server resources. This is the art of computer programming and it is what separates the true masters of the game from beginners and people who hate it but don't know how to do anything else well enough to get paid for it. Luckily this is not my case. This is why my thirst for knowledge is basically unlimited when it comes to programming. It's my dream job and I'm happy I had the chance to encounter it.